What's going on, guys? I hope you guys all enjoyed your weekend. It's now time to get back to business. So when I mean back to business, that means that it's time to do our charting. It's time to find the levels on the particular stocks that we want to trade this week. Again, so what that means for me is I'm going to go through all of the big dogs, all of the guys that I currently like to trade. I've already done my analysis on NVIDIA. I'm going to do my analysis on Tesla. By doing your analysis either the night before during the week or on the weekends, what it does is kind of set you up mentally for both sides, okay? And as a day trader, we always need to be ready to either A, flip the script or continue with our bias from our homework. So what I'm going to do here is Tesla's come off of a little bit of a 4-day rally coming from these bottom floors. So one level that I'm going to look at going forward, again, I'm not necessarily looking for this level anytime tomorrow or the next day. You know, stranger things have happened, but our line in the sand to the downside is 193, 194 on Tesla. So what that means is if at any point in time the market does roll over, which I don't think that we are, but if it does, let's be ready for a short position below 193, 194. We've got a Bollinger Band sitting down here at around 182. That's the price target I'm looking for. Now, if we look for a little bit more of an immediate kind of short position, if you kind of notice that the candle on the daily time frame that Tesla finished on, we pushed higher, right, over this 200 simple moving average. We reclaimed the 200 simple, and then we started to make a run towards all of this supply zones here, the 20, the 10, the linear regression. I believe this is the 100, so 150-day simple moving average. And we got rejected, and we started to roll back. So this little bit of a candlestick here, a little bit concerning. Due to the extent of the move from the floor that Tesla had, I could see a little bit of a pullback into some of this rising daily support here at the 5 and 10-day moving averages. As of right now, where we stand, anything below, okay, Friday's lows of 218.30, we could be coming down into this channel from the 2nd of November, and we have room all the way down to around 212. So that would be the area I would look for to see if that area kind of holds. If you are looking for a little bit of a short position here, that 218 is something you would definitely want to kind of keep your eyes on. And that would be the area that we're going to be looking to play. So again, keep that on watch for the downside. Now, what we would be looking for to the upside here is if we do gap down on Monday, which is tomorrow, going to be the 6th. If we do gap down, let things digest. Don't just take the short position if we're gapping down. The last thing you want to do is short into the hole. What you want to do is allow the washout to happen, and let's see if bulls can rally off of support, and let's see if we can take out those first hour highs. Then we will go to our 1 hour chart and we'll kind of see, do we have enough space to maybe make a buck, $2, $3, so forth and so forth. So that's going to be my analysis on Tesla. I don't think Tesla really gets itself out of the woods until it reclaims its 50-day moving average, and that's sitting all the way up at 244. So what could happen is we could get a little bit of a pullback into this range, right? We could get a little bit of a pullback into this range between 207 and 210. We could see some choppiness action here, consolidate, and then push back up to the upside. And then we can use this higher low as a little bit of a stop loss for a potential swing back up to the upside. So no dire risk for me to kind of play Tesla tomorrow to the long side. Now, the only thing I would be interested in is if, let's say, for example, Tesla gaps up. If we gap up into 230, 228, somewhere in that region, then I will look for the short position through Friday's lows. And if that happens, that's going to be a great move. Or any type of gap up. It doesn't necessarily have to be that big of a gap, but you know, we can even go as low as like 224, 225. If we gap up in this area, get rejected at the high, start to roll over after the first hour, and then we start to lose 218.54, I'm going to look for a short position. So again, if you guys want to join Evolution Traders, where you guys can trade with me each and every single day live, make sure you guys visit the link down in the description box below. It's a mentorship and community. I have my courses there. I do intraday technical analysis there. I live trade there. I also put my watch list there, and you can also schedule those one-on-one coaching calls. I only have 1 spot remaining. If you guys have been watching my video, I started off with 3. I'm going to be increasing the price by double. So the last person to join Evolution Traders is going to get access to that lifetime membership pricing for life. It's a one-time deal. That's it. You can learn with me, trade with me for the rest of your life. After the next person joins, I'm going to definitely be increasing the price by double. But I will see all of you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys all had a fantastic weekend and stay safe out there.